Might be.
You're just gonna make some good
That's
video
cool.
when you.
Oh man, I can't wait to get it. I can't wait to get on. Oh yeah, no, you good, you good. Man, that's awesome.
Peace be in our hearts. Is your Facebook picture
Yep.
or Instagram? Both.
Sure. Oh yeah.
Chapel of the Cross.
I thought that was like a, if you, I was thinking that's like a QRC
Oh, yes,
code or
it's
something.
YouTube. There's not any close by.
Oh, there's not? Like daggone. What's up, man? I think so. I think they did.
See 'em.
I don't either. I think they did though. I'm gonna go downstairs.
Yeah.
Oh, the gift shop's down there too, so.
Yeah.
Come back in there.
I would buy it for 1,500. I would almost buy it right now. Oh my God, is it for just one?
Right, because I didn't have that part. Yes. You can't go higher, we can't see. Oh, I have glasses on.
You can see the eagle that's carved up here and the rocks up here. That right there is the eagle. That's too cool. There's supposed to be a turtle around here too. Not sure where it's at, but those look like mushrooms. Hey, where'd you see the alien head? Yo. Oh. A coin collection over here.
Yeah.
That's Mick Jagger's lips right there. That's mushrooms they eat.
Yeah, he doesn't have the fin. Yeah, right.
Oh, God, it is poisonous.
Bodies, they're not poisonous. Yeah. Exactly. I wonder what kind that is.
Well, there's a guy back there that told me to take it to him and ask him.
I know, right? He was real friendly with his.
That's good.
Jeffrey, this way more scary than you.